Okay, we would like to honor these individuals with a proclamation from the Albany County Legislature for their heroic deeds. This is honoring our firefighters from the hill towns for their assistance to others during the Buffalo 2014 snowstorm. And the proclamation reads as such. Whereas on November 18, 2014, Buffalo, New York received 5 feet of snow within 24 hours, leaving drivers stranded on roadways and residents trapped in their homes. And whereas this storm shut down the city of Buffalo and its surrounding suburbs for days, leaving these most in need alone and scared for their well-being. And whereas on Wednesday, November 19th, a group of 5 highly trained Albany County volunteer firefighters embarked on a journey to assist Buffalo area residents in their recovery efforts and to help reach those in need. And whereas these brave firefighters included Scott Duncan, Chief of the East Fern Fire Department, Jason Smith, Assistant Chief of the East Fern Fire Department, Brandon Callner, Firefighter of East Fern Fire Department, Nicholas Minnick, Captain of the Byrne Fire Department, and Ethan Sharp, Lieutenant of the Westerlo Fire Department. And whereas these 5 men covered 148 miles while working 70 hours, 60 of which were in the town of Hamburg, New York, where they conducted a 4 search and rescues, provided 7 assists to EMS for transportation to hospitals, conducted 5 welfare checks and medication deliveries, and attended 8 collapsed buildings. And whereas selfless individuals who give their time and energies to help those in need are an asset beyond remuneration and cannot be sufficiently extolled. And whereas through their actions and deeds, Chief Duncan, Assistant Chief Smith, Firefighter Callner, Captain Minnick, and Lieutenant Sharp have proven themselves to be selfless individuals who have brought pride and honor to their families, communities, and to the County of Albany. And it be now therefore resolved that this honorable body, through the 39th Legislative District, hereby recognize and commend Chief Scott Duncan, Assistant Chief Jason Smith, Firefighter Brandon Callner, Captain Nicholas Minnick, and Lieutenant Ethan Sharp for their unselfish dedication to the people of the city of Buffalo and the town of Hamburg during the snowstorm of 2014. Thank you, gentlemen. To their fire departments, and it will be placed in their fire departments for memories of their heroic acts. So you can just put those in your fire departments. I appreciate it. Thank you, gentlemen. Okay.
Thank you for your service very much. Thank you.
How was your experience out there in Western New York and connecting with your other brothers out there?
It was great. We had a good time. I want to thank the Village of Hamburg Fire Department for their hospitality. We all had a good time out there helping everybody out. You know, you guys came up and stepped up for us when we needed a hand, so we were glad to come give you guys a hand.